Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Burger Please game on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now if you wish to download and install the Burger Please game on your PC, then first of all, you will need to install an Android emulator. So open up your web browser first, and then in the address bar type in bluestacks.com and press enter. You will be taken into the official BlueStacks emulator website, which is a popular Android emulator. Just click on the download button and this will start the download of the BlueStacks emulator on your PC. Just open the downloaded file and click through the next buttons and this will install the BlueStacks emulator on your device. Once the emulator is installed, go ahead and open it up and you will be able to gain access to your Android home screen. Now you can directly tap on the search for apps and games option and then type in Burger Please and start your search. Now you will find the installed through Google Play button. Go ahead and tap on it and this will open up the Google Play Store and the installer for the Burger Please game on your PC. So just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then once the installation is completed, you will be able to tap on the play button to open up the Burger Please game on your PC. And now you can directly start enjoying the game on your device without even signing up or logging in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Burger Please game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.